Hello everyone, today we are solving another question from the Cognizant SDE Sheet in GFG. So today's question is program to find the smallest and largest word in a string. Okay, given a string, find the minimum and the maximum length words in it. Suppose this is the input string, this is a test string. The minimum length word is A, that is of 1 character, and the maximum length word is string, that is of 6 characters. Okay. Similarly, for this input, GeeksforGeeks, a computer science for portal for geeks. Here again the minimum length word is A, that is of 1 character, and the maximum length word is GeeksforGeeks. Okay. So to solve this question, first let's understand how to find the maximum length word. Okay, then we will see for the minimum length, as they are very similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have two variables, max len equal to, let's say, the length of the first word, let's say 4. Okay, let's say 4 now, and another variable max str that will contain the first word. How we are going to get the first word, I will tell that later, but let's assume this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we are going to split this string into an array by splitting through spaces. Okay, that means suppose this is the string S. Now we are going to, and there is a words array that is created by splitting these words. Suppose this is the thing, this is a test string. Okay, this is the words array after splitting by spaces. Now we are going to traverse through each array element and check for the lengths. First we come to this one. What is its length? Is this string's length is greater than 4? No, this is not greater than 4. So we move to next string. Is this string's length greater than 4? No. Okay. Is this one's length greater than 4? No. This one's length greater than 4? No. This one's length greater than 4? Yes. So what we do is we update the max length to this string's length and update the max string to this string. Okay. This is how we get the max length and max string, that means the largest string. Similarly, if we have another two variable, mean length and mean string str, that, and we initialize them by the first word. Okay, now is the length of the string less than 4? No. Is the length of the string less than 4? Yes. So therefore we update to its length and update the str. Is this one's length less than 2? Yes. Therefore we update 2 to 1 and update the string from is to a. Now is this one's length less than 1? No. Is this one's length less than 1? No. And we complete the array. Therefore after completion of the loop, we get the max string as string and mean string as a, which is the desired output for this string input. So to code this question, what I am going to do is I am going to take an input string. Okay, now I am going to split them into words equal to s dot split. This will split the string into an array by spaces. Okay, now I am going to initialize those variables. Max len equal to len of the first word by this way, and max str, that should be the first word itself. Okay, and similarly min length equal to length of the first word, and min str should be the first word itself. Okay, now we run a loop on the array words. Okay, now we are going to check if len of I, that means if the length of the current character is greater than max len, we will update max len to len of I and update max str to the current string I. Okay, if len of I is smaller than min len, okay, then we update min len to len of I and update min str equal to I itself. Therefore, after getting out of the loop, we will have the largest string and the smallest string in these two variables. Now we write print maximum. How was the syntax? Maximum length word. Okay, like this way, maximum length word, that should be max str, and another is minimum, and it should be min. Now if I give this as output, this is a test string, I will have this as output string, and is maximum length word string and minimum length word is a. Now if I give this string as input, and we will have GeeksforGeeks maximum and a as minimum. Yes. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.